teacher of science. You're welcome to yet another episode of tips on how to prepare candidates for PLE, and in particular in the paper of integrated science. We have covered quite a lot. We've talked about how we can get prepared in order to prepare the candidates. We've also talked about the expectations, how you should behave yourself, how the children should be managed. Now, we want to move to the next part, which is actually getting prepared for PLE. The other issues were to compound ourselves in order to be ready to revise, assess, and definitely give the children the platform to be able to pass their national examinations. In this episode, we want to look at one aspect, which is revision. My dear teacher, if you may recall, I said it's easier to prepare content and teach a class than to revise that content with that class. This is where most of us do not meet the targets that we want. Once the syllabus has been completed, there is always a tendency to think that children have understood everything. But that's not the case. In the PLE paper for integrated science, over the years that you have seen, you could have noticed a certain trend. And that trend comes from the question that I'm going to ask. What do you think UNAIB was having in mind when they brought in primary leaving examination? By its name alone, you should be able to know that these exams are for end of cycle. It's going to cover the 7 years the child has been in primary school. Most teachers get it wrong this way. They focus their minds so much